Hello, my name is Kathy and I'm a lifestyle coordinator here at Prince George House, and I'm also a tea champion. The different parts in the tea station, you will have your hot water, you will have your sugar, your milk jug and your tea caddy. The type of urn is a push-down urn, so basically when you pop the cup underneath, you push the hot water down. It's not boiling water, so it's hot enough to make a nice cup of tea, but it's not boiling to the point where it would scald. The placement of the tea station should be in a high footfall area, i.e. outside the nurses' stations, and the reason for that is so that the carers can interact with the residents if they're having difficulty making the tea. When setting up the tea station, we have to take into consideration the height and the depth of the tea station, as regards to some residents will have a mobility aid, so they can't reach forward. It's better for them to have normality and independence, as opposed to having somebody do everything for you. Our aim is to make the residents in the home have a normal life as possible, and making their own tea is just one of those aspects.